And she finally comes home.
Born July 8th. Okay, so where you want her?
Just sit over and sit. I'm still taping this.
Okay.
I haven't stopped taping. The latest Manning grandbaby has come home. And look at her. Gonna have to download this and email it to Donnell. Hayden Dorothy Jean Manning is home.
Hi, Mama.
Look at her, she's getting upset already.
No, she's just stretching. I'm just stretching, Uncle Marvin.
Yeah, look at her, she's so small.
I'm just stretching, Uncle Marvin. All I do is sleep.
Anything else you want to say while I got you on the camera here?
Look what I did.